Hey champions, it is Miss Sutherland here. Wednesday, we're halfway through the week, but today we're moving on to division of 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. But remember, we really just use multiplication to solve for division anyway, so you're still going to be rolling your numbers. Same thing, anything divided by 0 is 0, anything divided by 1 is 1, except for these combinations. So when you're dividing by 0, the only way it's going to work is if the 0 is in front. Okay? The other ways are going to be not possible. You can check it on a calculator if you don't believe me. So once again, as of today and the rest of this week, we are practicing this part, which is almost half of the multiplication table, which is exciting. So you should know all the ones I have circled in blue. Once again, here are your rolling number songs. So if you need to refer back to the slide, that's perfectly fine, but at this point I'm hoping that you can use your songs to help you. Alright, so for the first one, we're going to roll our 4s till we get to 20, and then we're going to say how many fingers we have up. So I'm going to put the word fingers up, stop fingers up, because I'm going to be asking you stop how many fingers are up, and that's going to be your answer. So roll our 4s till we get to 20. Once you say 20, stop. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Stop. How many fingers are up? 5. I'm going to do a slight pause so that hopefully you guys can answer too. Next one, we're going to roll our 2s till we get to 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Stop. How many fingers are up? 12. I'm going to roll my 1s till I get to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. How many fingers are up? 5. I'm going to roll my 3s till I get to 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Stop. How many fingers are up? 4. I'm going to roll my 5s till I get to 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Stop. How many fingers are up? 7. I'm going to roll my 3s till I get to 9. 3, 6, 9. Stop. How many fingers are up? 3. I'm going to roll my 3s till I get to 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Stop. How many fingers are up? 6. 1 divided by 0. Well, again, remember that 0. Anything divided by 0 is 0. Let's roll our 2s till we get to 14. And this should actually say 0 divided by 1 equals 0. Either way. Let's roll our 2s till we get to 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Stop. How many fingers? Again, 7. 4 till we get to 44. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Stop. How many fingers? 11. Let's roll our 4s till we get to 4. 4. Stop. How many fingers are up? Just 1. Roll our 5s till we get to 10. 5, 10. Stop. How many fingers are up? 2. Roll our 2s till we get to 6. 2, 4, 6. Stop. How many fingers are up? 3. Sometimes students see this and they think they have to do 6 times 2. That's not right. So make sure you're stopping once you say 6. Roll our 3s till we get to 36. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're all going to college. 27, 30, 33, and 36. Stop. How many fingers? 12. 4 till we get to 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Stop. How many fingers? 6. Last one. 2 till we get to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Stop. How many fingers? 10. So hopefully you were able to follow along. I hope you got most of them correct. Alright, word problems. Debbie brought 3 evenly divided boxes of lollipops to class. How nice of you, Debbie. There are 36 lollipops altogether. How many lollipops are in each box? So we have our total, which is 36. And it says evenly divided, so it even tells us we're dividing. So we're going to roll our 3s till we get to 36. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're all going to college. 27, 30, 33, and 36. Stop. How many fingers? 12. What are we solving for? 12 what? How many lollipops? Thanks, Debbie. That was very nice of you. PetSmart has 40 jellyfish. They keep 5 jellyfish in each tank. How many jellyfish tanks are there? So we know our total number of jellyfish is 40. They keep 5 jellyfish in each tank, so we want to know how many tanks there are. Let's roll our 5s till we get to 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Stop. How many fingers? 8. 8 what? You can just put tanks. If you want to put jellyfish tanks, that's great, but tanks is the noun. Next one, number 3, Brent. Brent divided his 36 football cards evenly into 4 boxes. How many football cards did he put in each box? So he has a total number of 36 football cards, and he's putting them in 4 boxes. So let's roll our 4s till we get to 36. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36. Stop. How many fingers? 9. 9 what? We can put cards. You can also put football cards. Cards will do, though. Last 2. Kiyoki scooped 18 scoops of ice cream evenly onto 2 cones. How many scoops of ice cream are in each cone? 18 total scoops on 2 cones. Wow, someone's going to have a lot of scoops. Let's roll our 2s till we get to 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Stop. How many fingers? 9. 9 what? Scoops of ice cream. I can just put scoops. Whoa. I want to be your friend, Kiyoki. Give me 9 scoops of ice cream at once. And Emiliano has a dozen flowers. He keeps flowers in 4s. How many flowers are in each row? So, again, dozen is a number. How many is that? 12. We need to be memorizing that. Divided by 4. So we're going to roll our 4s till we get to 12, Emiliano. 4, 8, 12. Stop. How many fingers? 3. 3 what? How many flowers? So now it's your turn. Time yourself for a minute. See how many you get correct. You can go any direction you'd like. You can go up and down or sideways, but I'd like you to go ahead and finish and do all of them just so you're getting that extra practice. And then here are your 5-word problems. Make sure that you're reading them carefully and you're writing an equation, and we will go over them tomorrow. Thanks, champions. See you then.